Hey geeks, and so today's video, I'm going to show you a really awesome feature in OBS that you might not be aware of, or maybe you've seen it, but you don't know what it means or what it does. And that feature is virtual camera. Sounds like a really cool thing, and it is. So let's go ahead and head over to the computer. So as you can see here, I have OBS, but I also have Zoom open as well. And I'm going to show you why that is important. And so if you look here, you're going to see this feature called Start Virtual Camera. So whenever I saw that, I had no idea what that meant because I already have a webcam and my camera. And I was thinking, does that mean it's going to create a camera out of nowhere? Well, no, not exactly, but it's also really like magic as well. So if you go here to the settings, you see that the defaults are output type internal and then output selection program output default. I just leave those alone. You can mess around with it if you want, but I just leave it at the defaults. And the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and click on Start Virtual Camera. That's the first thing that you do. And then after that, then you're going to go to whatever video conferencing program or software that you use. Most people use Zoom, but you can use other things like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. And once you start a meeting, this is where this feature is so powerful. And so once you have it started, you could go to your video and choose OBS Virtual Camera. And once you do that, you'll be able to see the scenes from OBS in your video conferencing software. This is such an amazing feature. And right now I am recording my desktop. However, if I move over to my other scenes, like this is my scene with my camera, I have another one with my desktop and my webcam, and then I have one with just my webcam, and I also have a green screen one here as well. Plus I have some other ones that have image backgrounds, video backgrounds. So you could see that this can be a really awesome, powerful feature because typically these type of video conferencing software, they'll only give you like a blur background or an image background, and they really can't match the versatility and creativity that you could have using OBS. And you can use many other features along with that as well, different profiles, you can do streaming with it. There's so many powerful features that are available through OBS, and all of this is available by using this virtual camera feature. So that is it on this video on how to use the virtual camera feature in OBS. If you had any other thoughts on this or any other ways in which you use this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more OBS tutorials, tips, and tricks, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave in the description area below or up here. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.